What up, guys? So today I'm gonna talk about maintenance. So basically, what is maintenance, right? Because this is a very confusing subject. But basically, what maintenance is, it's when you're supposedly at a calorie intake where you don't lose weight or gain weight. You are just at maintenance. So you maintain your current body weight, body fat, muscle mass, so on. So does maintenance exist? Now, me personally, plus the science, 100% maintenance doesn't exist. Because your activity level on a daily basis, it changes. Maybe you've done more steps today, maybe you've done more work, more training, and that influences how many calories you burn. And because you burn more calories, now maybe you're more in a deficit than in a maintenance, so you're not at the same calorie intake every single day because your body burns more calories that day that you did more. Okay, so like I said in my previous video, how to find your maintenance calories, your estimated maintenance, times your body weight times 15, and that's your estimated maintenance. Now you have to test it out, so test it out for 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks, then increase or decrease the calories based on your results. But you can't be at 100% maintenance. So that's why you should always take your weekly, you should weigh yourself on a weekly basis. Weigh yourself every single day, write it out, and make, a average from those measurements. Make an average, weekly average, and that is gonna be your weight for that week. Now, if that weight relatively stays the same, then you're at your estimated maintenance, so it doesn't go up more than half a pound and it doesn't go down more than half a pound. That's basically considered maintenance. If you're at 171 pounds day one, then you're 171.3, then you're 171.1, and so on. You're basically at maintenance because you stay at that 171, so you're basically at maintenance at that point. But your weight is always going to fluctuate, so it's never going to be 100% the same weight, and it's not going to be 100% maintenance, so you always got to keep in mind when you weigh yourself. But if you stay in that same, ballpark, that weight range, up to half, maybe to 1 pound on a weekly, monthly basis, then you can be sure you're at maintenance. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out.